Hey everyone, Chris Bailey with Bailynn Associates Real Estate Team, powered by America United Realty. Hey, I am doing a Facebook Live from our new listing here in Livonia, Michigan at 14286 Sunset. It is at Linden and Merriman Road. Those of my friends that are Bentley peeps, you will remember this neighborhood well. In fact, my high school girlfriend grew up just over there on Hubble. She did. She probably wants nothing to do with me anymore, but anyhow. This is a beautiful home. I'm going to turn the camera around so I can show it to you. It is a 1,202 square foot brick ranch. It is a full brick home. Don't see that much in today's world. It is fully finished, updated, nice. Look at this kitchen. The gentleman who owned this home did a gorgeous job in here with this kitchen. Look at how much cabinet space you have in here. So it is a large eat-in kitchen. We do also have 3 bedrooms here on the entry level. Kind of give you a quick peek at those. So here's 1, there's 2. Custom windows in this home, by the way. Kind of see that little etching in them. It's kind of cool. Real cool, actually. And then here is bedroom number 3, which we would consider the primary bedroom in this home. Now, those of you who grew up in Livonia know that underneath this carpeting and all these bedrooms in the hallway, there is some hardwood floors. So if you want that, it's there. So here is our full bathroom on the entry level. So I'm just going to quickly take you out this way. Again, walking through the kitchen, by the way. Very large pantry here in the kitchen. So, nicely convenient right off the garage. We do have a 2-car attached garage. Take a quick peek out there. But the nice thing about the 2-car attached garage is there is a half bathroom right here. So if you're out working in the garage, getting dirty, you need to use the bathroom, you got a quick bathroom to use. Fully finished basement. Some features of the basement is this extra closet space down here, which does have a cedar wall. And that, of course, helps keep the clothes fresh. We do have a laundry/utility room in here. So you kind of see all that. And then out here we have a large basement family room. We also have an additional kitchen in this home. So those of you who might entertain in the holidays, this is a great option for you. You've got a place, an extra refrigerator, you have an extra stove. By the way, both stoves in this home are gas stoves. I love gas stoves. And then we also have down here in the basement another full bathroom with a shower. Now, plenty of room in this ranch. There is approximately, I want to say it's around 1,050 square feet that is finished space in that basement. So the bulk of the basement is finished. There's only about 150 square feet that are not finished. But the cool thing about this home on Sunset is this. So you walk out onto this deck. You can see part of the deck is covered. It is also lit. There are can lights in there, so at nighttime you can light it up. But look at this backyard. I grew up in Livonia, and I never realized that this little park-like setting existed on this side of Sunset when I was a kid. It is literally wide open back there. There are no neighbors directly behind you. So, if you or someone you know are looking for a home in Livonia, Michigan, you're looking for a ranch-style home, give us a call at Bailynn Associates Real Estate Team. You can reach me, Chris, at 734-751-6638. Again, 734-751-6638. Mike Mazzaris, who is on my team, is going to be hosting an open house tomorrow on Tuesday. The open house is going to be from 4 until 6 p.m. If you have any questions, you need any details, feel free to reach out. I will put a link in the comments below. That way you can see some information about the home. You can click the link. It's going to take you to a little virtual tour, give you all the dimensions of the home, the floor plan, all that good stuff. So again, if you need anything, give us a call. Talk to you soon. Bye.